at Uncle's
Good afternoon,
celebration.
everyone, and thank you for coming today.
Sorry.
Thank you for being here. Look, we're a little bit past our start time, but we're just waiting for our dear Uncle Harry. So as soon as he gets here, we'll commence. But I know you're enjoying the beautiful Niue sounds of our boys here. And we've got Vinny here. This is Auntie Flo's grandson. We've got Carl Tusini, Ingy's son. Putting on the drums and Vita on the bass.
Here we go. This is the Finiona group sitting here.
We'll start very shortly. Okay, thank you.
Kaz, Maurice, beautiful. Look at everyone else here. Oh, lovelyly dressed up. Oh, look beautiful. Oh, Uncle.
Oh.
Uncle. Hey, Kaz, how are you?
Are you ready? Okay. Cheers. Thank you. Thank you. It was beautiful.
Nice.
Send that to Sarah.
Oh yeah, just catching everyone here. It's been a beautiful setup. So lovely. Everyone looks gorgeous. Everyone, totally beautiful. Here they come, all in the colours. Nice to see you.
Shake your hand on my boy, hey? If I got haircut, I'll pick up his glass.
Is that in you?
So she's 3, who's 4? Hello. Valentine.
Sing here. I'm going to come back and talk.
Hello, family photo.
Cheese.
Beautiful, everyone. Everyone coming. Sally. Welcome. Hello. Haven't seen you for a long time. Nice to see you. Hello. Hello. Good to see you. Good to see you. Hello. La fatu kia mua, wahako mai tai ka. Yeah. Nice to see your colours. Beautiful colours. Yes. Yeah, you have to wait. That's beautiful. I love how they've done that.
Mel did the same.
Hi, Jeremy. Hey, Carlo.
How are you?
Wonderful, thank you. Nice to see you. Hello, beautiful people. Hello, how are you? Oh, look at all these guys. Oh, how lovely. But your brother didn't come? Your brother didn't come? No, it's nice to see you anyway. Oh, I love the colours. Hi, Melanie. Nice to see you. Sorry. Celebrating Uncle Trevor's 80th birthday at the Baptist Church in Otara.